Hey y'all, back with another video. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm back with another video. This is Naturally Luscious Tresses. Sorry, it's kind of hard for you to pronounce, but hey, let's lift this up a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's not working for me. I guess this is the position it's gonna be in. Okay, let's see what I got. Start this way. Move my hand out the way. Okay. Curl Life, Hot Summer Sizzle. It's the stuff, the insider notes and everything. Oh, lovely thing. I'll probably read that later. Lottabody, huh? Oh. Complimentary, huh? How much is this? How much you gotta pay? Yeah, I'm going to read that later. I didn't even know that was in here. What? What's it do with that? Okay. This is the leave-in, not free forever detangle and conditioner. It's new and improved, y'all. It's called Sunnyisle. Okay, let's see. I just want to smell it real quick. Let's see the consistency. I'm liking that. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, next we got lottabody. It's the Shine Mist. Illuminates me, no silicones. Ungreasy, no mineral oil, no alcohol. Humidity resistant. I think it smells like it smells pretty good. I used to use lottabody when I was younger, not little. This was like in the early 2000s in high school. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got Control Me Edge Gel Black. Okay. Ooh, all right. It's gonna take a little. Yeah, I just realized my hair is not black. So I don't know how it's supposed to work out. My hair's like a dusty brown and dark brown. This is the moisturizing shampoo. Moisturize. All right, let's open this. Ooh, yeah, bubble. See the bubble, bubble, bubble. Pop. Is it gonna pop? Is it gonna pop, you guys? Oh, it popped. Okay. It smells like coconut. Yeah. I'm not too big of a coconut fan. And this is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey New. Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner for dry, dehydrated hair. Pure honey, nice, rich coconut oil, creamy, no shea butter, no sulfate mineral oil. What did that say? Oh. 12 months from opening, if somebody don't know. Because this is heavy. 12 ounces? Let's smell this. Oh, you know what? It's not strong at all. It's like a faint smell, but oh, I think I'm gonna like this one. Ooh, Look like ice cream, huh? You get your ice cream cone from the store. It smells really good. Okay, I think that was like 5 things in total. Let's see. Okay, here you guys go. This is the finish. This is everything that came in my certificate of whatever. I'm gonna check that out, and I hope you guys enjoy because I really like getting their stuff. It's been a while, but I'm a member again, and I can't wait to try this stuff, especially the lottabody because I was a big fan of it growing up. And this right here, because this looked like this is heaven or something. I don't know, but yeah. I can't wait to try it, y'all. Alright, that's from CurlKit. There'll be more videos coming later, but yeah. Don't forget to comment, y'all, and like the video. Give me some suggestions if you have any. Alright. Be and stay blessed, y'all. Bye.